It's been quite a while since we've seen sunlight. Hey, cellmate, we will soon escape our freedoms inside. Oh, if the guards came swarming down for you, there's no way I would let them get to you. Hey, my friend, do you still believe in hope, I wonder? Hey, cellmate, do you think we can break out together? Oh, even through sadness and pain, we brave. No pluck within this world can keep us caged. We don't know where to go, chased by people on our trail. What if we lose our way? Oh, cellmate, I will help you through. Oh, even through sadness and pain, we brave. No pluck within this world can keep us caged.